Hello, in today's video, I will show you how to automate your entire event registration process from sign up to reminders and to post event follow up. Whether it is a workshop, a party, a webinar, or a conference, this step and setup keeps everything smooth and organized. We are going to create an automation that handles every event registration from start to finish to when someone sign up to when they get an automated email to when they get a reminder after 24 hours before the event and they receiving a thank you email after the event is over. Managing attendees manually is time consuming and easy to mess up, but the automation you deliver the right message at the right time. Stay organized and make your event feel professional. No coding is needed. All you just need is to know how to build a form and how to write email. Then you are ready. Then let's dive into the step. Step one, we need to build a simple registration form. When a customer fills it out, it triggers the automation. So let's build out our event management form. Then let's set it up manually. Let's input our details. Now let's create our event registration form. Now that we have created our form, then now let's move into the workflow. We create a new workflow and we name it event management. And let's set up our trigger on record created and we name it event. Next, we want to send a confirmation email instantly, and these include the event details like the date, the time, the venue, or link, and any instruction they need. That will be send email. Now that we've done that, then we want to delay it for the event, which is we add a 24 hours delay before the actual event. So we come here and the next action is delay. So let's put in a scenario whereby the event is on 21st of April, and 24 hours or 24 hours before the event is 28th of April. So the date will be 2025 April 20, and you get the email by the time 12 o'clock. Then the next thing we want to send to them is a email, a reminder email. Then let's put the subject. Then after this, we want to send a post event follow up. That means we'll be delaying it till after the event. As we did the other time, the event is on the 25th or the 21st of April. Then the time. Let's say the event end by 12 p.m. Then the event is they get a email by 1 p.m. Then let's fill the details for the follow up. Now that we've set up our event management workflow, let's test it out. I'll fill the form and let's see what happened next. We've published. Now let's come to our form. We publish the form. Let's input the form link here. Now let's use this email. Can you see the details is here? Then let's check our workflow. Boom! I got the confirmation email. Then a day before the event, I'll also get a reminder, and after the event, I'll get a thank you email in my inbox, all automated, all automated. This is how you fully automate your event registration process with Open Dashboard. Install this workflow from the Open Dashboard Marketplace, link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in our next video.